Hi guys. Today I'll be talking about chemistry education student on how to get their project topics. The first thing you will need to do right now is to go to your browser. Just type project topics for chemistry education student. When you type it, it give you series of our website, like different websites that people have uploaded some of the projects they have done in the past. The thing is that you will open as many as possible. Let me see. I think I've done one on this page. You right click like this and click on the open in new tab group. You leave it, you click on this one too, click on the open new tab again. You click on uni project 2. You do the same thing. You right click on this and you click on the open in new tab. I think I've done that before, so I'll go to where I've opened it already. So the first one I open is some fina or something like that. So we have different topics here, but you have to think deeply the one you will be able to do when you pick the topic. Look, the effect of peer instructional strategy on student achievement and retention in chemistry. You consider on this one area of Bayesha. That means this person is in Bayelsa State where he conducted the research. If you want to do your own, you have to narrow it down to where your school is, your state, or probably your local government where your school reside, or within where you can travel to within a day that you will not travel and come back. Don't go and pick. Maybe you are in, let assume you are in Niger State now. Now you are going to pick, if you are not living in Kontagura, or it's not easy to move for you to move to Kontagura, you will now go and do your project there. No, look for local government with your local government, or local government that is very close to your home, that within a day you can go there and conduct your research and just and finish up your work. So you look at this one, effect of instructional material and teacher motivation on senior secondary school, a case study of secondary schools in Lagos. You can pick the same topic line and change a case study to schools in your state. And your state is even too big for you as an undergraduate. So you might just narrow it down to your local government, like case of their secondary schools in ABC local government, or in ARC local government of Niger State, or of Kwara State, or of Lagos State, or just pick as many. So I'll open one of those example now for you to know the details of the project you want to carry out. Look at it. Influence of use of teaching and learning resources on the performance of SSCE students in chemistry. So if you want to conduct it, you right click on this like this, then you open a new tab, then you go and read the details. So I've already opened like two already, so let me pick this one. This is the first one that I opened. They ask me to pay, I will not pay. I just want to read through it. Now this is the abstract. This gives you the abstract of the project that I clicked on. I clicked on project. What's the project of evaluation of calcium in cheese for recommended dietary allowance? uh okay, yeah, this, don't just get the project. Don't pay for any project, please. Don't pay for anything. You have to carry out your project by yourself. If not, the turning thing at the end of the day, the school turning thing will detect if you copy people's projects, and you pay for project and copy and gives it to them. Definitely you are going to have issue with that. So that's that about that. This is the brief abstract, what you want to do on the project, the reason you want to carry out the project, the outcome of the project that you want to do. So probably if you type the same topic again in Google, if you copy and type it, they might have upload this project in another website where you wouldn't need to pay for it. So let me look at this one again. This is another topic: assessment of teachers knowledge of test construction procedure in chemistry objective test in senior secondary school. You now look at, okay, in senior secondary school, a case study of, you now pick is a local government of, let's say, be that local government, let's say, or Ilorin South local government, or Ilorin West local government. That's how you go about it. Then you read the project body to have to have the grasp of what you want to carry your project out on. So, but you don't need that. You just have to give your project topic, your, what's it called, your supervisor, your project topic, and see if they will accept it before you do the most of the work that is required. Let's say I've also, this is another website that I've right clicked that open chemistry education. You can see as many projects as possible. I've already opened, right click on this one, I've opened it. This is a study of common difficulties, blah 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 blah. So let's see what is there. Yeah, a study of common difficulties encountered by students in chemistry, practical class in secondary school in, you can see, of edge of Edo State. You can just change this place from in to maybe your local government and of Niger State, or of let's say Lapai of Niger State, or let's say Paikuru of Niger State, or uh, Chanchaga of Niger State. So that's how you're going to, or Ilorin West of Kwara State, or Ilorin South of Kwara State, or of, you know what I mean by that. So you come to this place and read the abstract. This one is even more detailed. Okay, you can see like this one. You can pick your introduction, your statement problem from here, purpose of the study. You just have to find a way uh, to pick some of the things you want to do from here. When you read through this particular from introduction to here, you will know what are the statement problem you want to carry out, because most times the problem are similar, are peculiar. The problem for example, now some schools are having problem with mathematics, with chemistry. You can just go and look at the WAEC results in the last 2 or 3 years in your state, and look at some of the subjects that people, majority of students usually fail. Most times, like, okay, they have the half of the students that write a exam, or WAEC or NECO in your local government or in your state, usually fail chemistry or fail mathematics. You can carry out your research on why do they fail such courses, why do they fail chemistry in this local government, why, or you can also carry your research on why does this local government pass chemistry compared to local government. Like, okay, local government here, let's say Paraikuru local government, most of their students pass chemistry in 2023, but you discover that in Chanchaka local government, they do not pass the chemistry. You can compare what are the reasons why some have it. Is it a teacher? Is it the problem? Is it about the student? You can carry out research on that too, so you can compare. And also, this is another one: production of instructional material for teaching chemistry education among secondary schools in you can see Idemili North. You don't have to put Idemili. If this person is in you just have to change in, you put your local government and your state. You remove all from the Idemili, then you replace it with your local government. Then you now see, you read through this chapter one, you read through to have the grasp of what the project is all about. So when you're having a conversation or interaction with your supervisor, you will be able to, say something. Because when you give him this topic now, he might say, okay, so what do you now intend to do? What's the project all about? But if you have read through this, you will be able to say one or two things, and your supervisor will be able to know that, okay, it's not that somebody gave you the project topic, you really worked on it. To your browser, type the project topic, and you bring about 2 3 topics. Then if you have any issue, like the topic doesn't really go the way you want, you can now DM, and let's explain how you can refine it to fit your your case study, or your school, or where you want to carry out your project. Just ensure you try it yourself first, then you get the topic. When you get topic, then we will now work on it to make sure that we adjust the topic to so that it will make sense. Yeah, that's all about that.